How to make simple and easy mouth-watering beef steak with caramelized onions. Ingredients for the steak: 2 ribeye steaks, 1 inch thick, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons butter. Leave the steak out of the fridge for about 45 minutes to reach room temperature. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and put a cast iron skillet over medium heat or a heavy stainless steel pan. Rub the steaks with olive oil and generously season both sides with kosher salt and black pepper. When the pan is very hot, add the steaks and sear for 2 to 3 minutes on each side to get a nice brown crust. Do not use a fork, use tongues instead so the juices stay inside. Transfer the pan to the preheated oven. Roast for 5 to 7 minutes for medium rare, about 135 degrees Fahrenheit, or 7 to 9 minutes for medium, about 145 degrees Fahrenheit, flipping the steaks halfway through. Once done, remove the steaks from the oven, top with a pat of butter and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. Ingredients for the caramelized onions: 4 medium red onions sliced in thin halves, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey. In a large cast iron skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat and add the onions with the salt once the pan is hot. Reduce the heat to low and cook the onions slowly, stirring every few minutes until they are soft and brown. Once the onions are soft and starting to brown, drizzle in the balsamic vinegar and honey. Stir well to combine, allowing the onions to absorb the flavors. Continue cooking for an additional 10 to 20 minutes, stirring frequently, until the onions are deeply caramelized and the mixture has thickened. When the onions are ready, remove them from the fire and add them to the steak and enjoy.